Hello, today I am going to making piazi. In the first, I am taking 1 kondel atta means wheat. Okay, it's enough. And after I am taking here 2 kg of sugar. This is sugar. In 1 kondel atta, add the 2 kg sugar. Okay, it's enough. If you eat too much sugar, then you happening diabetes happening. So a little sugar is enough. And after 1 pua salt. Yeah, and mix it. Wise. After I am adding here cutting onion. I am cutting the onion. And I'm washing this. Cut the onion like this. If you eat, if you like chili, then you can eat add chili. But I do not eat. I do not add the chili. I don't like too much chili. Okay, mixing well. And last I add the water. 5 liter water. Now it's okay. Look. Oh my god. Give the sarai in the gas stove. When this water is drying happening, then I will add the oil. There organic mustard oil. When this happen is finishing happen, then I add there at the mixing. Daniel tower dungbai iku hunese atau gulene. Oh my god. Shenene. Shenene. आरो बेखौ थावाव होनानै बिदि जाया बेखौ नैबादि एरनांगो नायनाला नैबादि एरनांगो नङाबा खामजागोन नोंथाङा नैबादि बेलहायना नांगो बेबादिसो सावो पियाज या खामबायनो सिनिखौ मानो होयो मिथिबाय सिनिखौ बेबायदि खामनो थाखायथ' होयो माने खामबासो गोथाव मोनो आरोना मोनसे गोथावखौ दा खामबासो जायो ओंखायनोथ' सिनिखौ होनाय जायो आरो गोदैबो नाङो एसे सिनि होबा बांद्राय सिनिबा नोंथाङा खामफ्लेजागोन लोगो लोगोनो मोनालासिनो ओंखायनो सिनिखौ बांद्रायबो होनाङा नाय हालदैनि बादि गोमो नुलाजोब्बायसो दा and once again backside turning point. Yeah, it's harming. Look, so cool looking, so tasty looking. आरो बेलथाय बावनाय जाहैबाय खनसेबाव माने खामबा खाजासिगोन आरो इखो आं एसे खामनाय बा गोथाव मोनसिनो ओंखायनो माहाय खामहोनि आङो दसे दिनबावनि अब्ला बेखौ जाबाय इखौ खांनोसै नैबादि खांनांगौ बेनि उनाव बेहाय दोननांगौ बेहाय थावखौ नैबादि माबाफिननांगौ नैबादि नङाबा थावफोरा थांफाजोबद्रायो नायum da नायum नायum I'm thirsty. Very tasty good. Oh my god, no.